Hello, beautiful children. My name is Isabella, but you can call me Miss Bella. So join me for story time with Miss Bella. Today's story time is Sesame Street Elmo's Potty Time, written by Caleb Burrows, illustrated by Tom Brannan. Let's learn with Elmo how to use the potty. You can do it too. Elmo had to use the bathroom, but he wasn't so sure he could go potty all by himself. "You're getting to be such a grown-up monster," said Elmo's mommy. "I'll help you so that you can use the potty by yourself whenever you need to." Elmo's mommy led her furry little monster into the bathroom. The potty looked really big, but Elmo was ready to try. Elmo climbed up. As he waited to go, Elmo looked at a book. Reading was a good way to pass the time. "Elmo is finished going potty," Elmo said. "Good job," said Elmo's mommy. "But you're not done quite yet." Elmo's mommy told Elmo how to tear toilet tissue from the roll, not too much paper, and wipe himself. "Now we flush," said Elmo's mommy. Elmo pushed the handle and waved goodbye as the water went around and around and then down, down, down the hole at the bottom of the potty. "Oh, that makes Elmo dizzy," he said. "The last thing you need to do is wash your hands," said Elmo's mommy. Elmo turned on the water and scrubbed with soap until his hands were clean. "I'm so proud of you, Elmo," Elmo's mommy said. Elmo was proud of himself too. The potty was big, but Elmo was getting big too. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Join us for more stories, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!